Good morning, Year 5, and welcome back to our second lesson this week, focusing on words ending in the suffix able or the suffix ible. The date today is Wednesday, the 29th of April. This week, we've been looking at words ending in able and ible and identifying spelling rules to help us spell words with these endings. What rule can we use to help us with this? Can you remember this from our previous session? Our suffix able is often added onto words where the root word can still be seen or heard. In most cases, we aren't left with a root word when we take away the ible ending. Using this rule, can you identify the correct spelling of the word enjoyable? Pause the video now to have a think, and when you're ready, click play to find out if you were correct. You may have noticed that we are able to see the root word enjoy. This helps us to know that it is the suffix able that needs to be added onto our root word. If we were to take away the suffix able, we are still left with the root word enjoy. This is how we are able to identify that our word ends in able and not ible. Can you identify the correct spelling for the word incredible? Pause your video now to have a think. Click play when you're ready. This time, it is the suffix ible that is at the end of our word. If we were to take away our suffix, in this case ible, we would not be left with a root word. This is how we know it is an ible ending and not an able ending, as we have no root word. Which of these is the correct spelling for the word reasonable? Pause your video to have a go. Click play when you're ready. You may have noticed that we're able to see the root word reason. This helps us know that it is our suffix able that needs to be added onto the end of our root word. If we were to take away our suffix able, we are still left with the root word reason. This is helpful and helps us identify that it is able and not ible that needs to be added on to our root word. Which of these is the correct spelling for the word possible? Once again, pause your video to have a think and click play when you're ready. This time, it is our suffix ible that is at the end of our word. If we were to take away this suffix, we would not be left with a root word. This is how we are able to identify that it is our suffix ible that needs to be at the end of this word and not able, as there is no root word. Which of these is the correct spelling for the word valuable? Pause the video now to have a think and click play when you're ready to find out. This was perhaps a tricky one. It is in fact our suffix able that needs to be added on to this word. Our root word here is value. The root word value can still be heard when we say the whole word valuable, even though the E is missing from the root word. Remember, if the root word ends in E, in this case value does end with an E, then usually we need to drop the E when adding our suffix able. Here we can see that. We have value, we're adding our suffix able, Therefore, we need to drop the E. Well done if you got that one correct. That was a tough one. Your task for this week. Match each spelling to its definition. So here on the left are your spelling words for this week. What you'll need to do is match each word with the correct definition. Remember to include your date and can I at the top of your page and underline both of those with a ruler. And remember to take a picture of your work and upload it to Class Dojo so we can check your progress and give you some feedback. Bye for now, Year 5. Well done.